In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a gradient text effect in Canva. Together, we'll be exploring how to effortlessly add that pop of color and style to your text using Canva's intuitive features. Whether you're designing a poster, a social media post, or any other graphic, a gradient text effect is a great way to make your content stand out. Let's dive into it. To start with, we need to navigate to the Canva dashboard. You have two main options here. You can either create a new design or choose from your recent designs. Since we're focusing on the practical application today, let's go ahead and click on Recent Designs. This will bring up your existing projects, and you can select the one you want to enhance with a gradient text effect. Next, find your way to Elements or Text in the Canva interface. These options are usually located on the left side of the screen. Depending on what you already have in your design, you can either select an existing text element to modify or click to add new text if you're starting fresh. Remember, you can use this effect on a variety of text layers, so feel free to get creative with your selection. Now that you have your text element ready, it's time to add a splash of color. Click on the background color option for your chosen text. This is where the magic begins. You'll find this option within the toolbar at the top, which comes to life when you select your text. Here, instead of opting for a standard flat color, what we're looking for is something a bit more dynamic. Let's head over to the gradient section, specifically the default gradient colors. Canva offers a range of preset gradients that you can apply with just a click. These default gradients are your best friend when you're aiming to create a visually appealing text effect without spending time mixing colors tediously. Select one that resonates with the mood or theme of your design. There you have it. In just a few steps, you've learned how to transform regular text into something unique and eye-catching using a gradient effect in Canva. Remember that using contrasts wisely and selecting colors that complement your overall design can make the effect even more remarkable. Play around with different options to see what works best for your project. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in mastering the gradient text effect in Canva. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting, Canva provides an accessible platform for everyone to make their ideas come to life with ease and style. If you have any questions or want to share your creations, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to elevate your design skills. See you in the next video.